So, hello there and welcome to this guided relaxation. My name is Helén. Find a comfortable place to lie down. Maybe you want to place a blanket over your body. Maybe place something under your knees for support for your neck. Just make sure you are very comfortable so you can settle in and your body can relax. Let's take 3 deep breaths together. So inhale through the nose and then pause at the top of your inhale. And then exhale slowly out through your mouth. And again, inhale through the nose. And pause at the top of your inhale. And then exhale all the air out, soften. And let's do that one more time. Inhale. And then exhale all the air out. And begin to notice the weight of your body. Feel the weight of your heels, your legs, your hips, your upper back and shoulders. Feel the weight of your head. And begin to notice the rhythm of your breath. Feel the air flowing in and out of your nostrils. Let yourself soften more and more into your support. Soften your mind and soften your breathing. And gently bring your awareness to the back of your head. And can you begin to soften and relax your skull? Relax your forehead. Relax your temples. And relax your eyes. Let your eyes sink down. Relax your jaw. Relax your mouth and your tongue. Relax your neck. Relax your right shoulder, and right arm and hand. Relax your left shoulder, arm and hand. Relax your upper back and your chest. Can you really soften your chest? Soften in between your shoulder blades. Soften around your rib cage, front, side, and back. Relax your belly. Relax your lower back and sacrum. Relax the right side of your hip. Relax your right thigh, lower leg, and right foot. Relax the left side of your hip. Relax your left thigh, lower leg, and left foot. Feel the weight of both legs at the same time. Feel the weight of both arms at the same time. And feel the weight of both shoulders at the same time. Let your whole body relax into its support. From the top of your head all the way down to your feet. I don't ever crave extraordinary moments anymore. Just small, gentle hums of beauty streaming from below, above, and beyond, simply from paying attention. Sound, light, shadow, art, warmth, the night, the morning, dreams that are not far away but exist right here, already in my days, hands, and heart. Victoria Erickson. Now deepen your breath and wiggle your fingers and your toes. So slowly wake up your body. Maybe stretch your arms over your head. Maybe gently bend your knees into your chest. And when you're ready, open your eyes and come back to the space. And thank you so much for joining me here. Namaste.